let me ask you something. Have you noticed this? Your grammar is okay, your vocabulary is fine, but still, you don't sound natural.
Oh, yes. That hurts because it's true.
And here's the shocking part. It's not your English level. It's how you use English.
Hey everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Robert. Welcome back to our podcast.
Today's topic is powerful because almost everyone struggles with this.
If you stay till the end, you'll learn how to sound natural using simple English.
Not advanced words, not perfect grammar.
Just simple, real, human English.
Oh, that already feels relieving.
Let me ask you honestly, when you speak English, what are you thinking about first?
Grammar. Sentence structure. Mistakes.
Exactly, that's the problem.
Oh, so I'm focusing on the wrong thing?
Yes, native speakers don't think like that. Native speakers use short sentences, simple words, pauses.
You know, that explains why my long sentences sound weird.
Because long sentences increase pressure.
And pressure kills confidence.
Exactly, Emma.
Oh, wow. So I've been trying to sound smart and ended up sounding nervous.
Haha, yes, that happens to many learners. Let's compare. Version 1. I would like to express my personal opinion regarding this situation.
That already feels heavy.
Version 2. I think this is a good idea.
Oh, that sounds natural. Relaxed.
Exactly. Simple English wins.
But Robert, when I speak simply, I feel like I sound childish.
That fear is common.
You know, like people will judge me.
But in reality, people understand you better. Natural English is not about complexity, it's about clarity.
Oh, clarity over perfection.
Exactly, Emma. Here's today's exercise. Take one topic, any topic.
Like my day?
Yes, describe it using only short sentences.
No long explanations?
No, one idea, one sentence.
Okay, today was busy. I had a meeting. I felt nervous.
Perfect. That's natural English.
Oh, that feels so much easier.
And this is just the beginning. In the next part, we'll show how to sound natural even when you're stressed.
And how to stop overthinking every word.
So, remember, simple English is confident English.
And confidence is what people actually hear.
All right. Emma, let's slow this down.
Okay, I'm listening.
Many learners think natural English means fast English.
Oh, yeah, I thought that too.
But that's wrong. Natural English is relaxed English. When you speak simply, your brain relaxes.
So less stress.
Exactly. Less stress means better flow.
Oh, that explains a lot. Robert, can I be honest?
Of course, Emma.
When I try to speak simply, I panic
Why?
because my brain says, that's too easy. People will think you're bad at English.
Ah, that voice. That voice is not reality.
Oh.
Native speakers prefer simple language.
You know, I've noticed that, but never trusted it.
Trust it. Let's imagine this situation. You're at work. Your boss asks, "How was the meeting?"
I would say something like, the meeting was productive and various points were discussed.
Stop. Now try again. Simple.
The meeting went well. We talked about a few issues.
Perfect. That sounds human.
Oh, that feels natural. I sound like myself, not a textbook.
Exactly, Emma. Simple words leave space for emotion.
Oh, emotion.
Yes, emotion connects people.
That's powerful.
Let's practice. I'll give a topic. You respond with short sentences.
Okay.
Topic: Learning English.
I like learning English. It's hard sometimes, but I enjoy it.
Perfect. Natural.
Oh, wow. No stress.
Long sentences force your brain to multitask.
Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation.
Exactly. That creates anxiety.
And anxiety blocks fluency.
Yes. From today, new rule.
What rule?
If a sentence feels heavy, cut it in half.
Oh, simple but smart.
Every day, speak for 3 minutes.
Only 3?
Yes, but only short sentences.
No long explanations.
No. Pause often.
Okay, I woke up early. I felt tired. I drank coffee. It helped.
That's perfect, Emma. In the next part, we'll talk about how to sound natural when someone interrupts you.
Oh, that's scary.
Remember this: simple English is confident English.
And confident English sounds natural.
Okay, Emma, let's talk about a moment that scares many learners.
I already feel it.
You're speaking English. Everything is fine. Then, pressure appears.
Oh, yes. That moment.
Someone interrupts you.
My mind goes blank.
Your heart beats faster.
I forget my words.
Exactly. Not because your English is bad.
Then why, Robert?
Your brain switches to survival mode.
Oh, like fight or flight?
Yes. And language shuts down.
You know, that explains everything. Emma speaking. I feel embarrassed in that moment.
That's very honest.
I start thinking, they are judging me.
That thought is dangerous. Most people are not judging you.
Oh, really?
They are waiting for your idea.
Not my grammar?
Never your grammar. When someone interrupts you, don't say sorry immediately.
I always do that.
Instead, pause.
Pause?
Yes. Then say something simple. For example, let me finish this thought.
Oh, that sounds confident.
Or, 1 second.
Very simple.
Simple is powerful.
Huh. I thought confidence needed big words.
No, Emma. Confidence needs calm energy. Pauses are not mistakes.
Oh, I always feared silence.
Silence gives you control.
I never saw it that way.
Here's today's exercise.
Okay,
Practice stopping. Practice pausing.
so I don't rush?
Exactly. Speak, pause, continue.
Today I want to say, this topic matters.
Perfect. Very natural.
That feels calm.
Calm English sounds natural English. In the next part, we'll talk about real conversations.
With friends? Work?
Yes, real life English. Remember this, Emma. Pressure is normal.
And pauses are your friend.
All right, Emma. Now we leave theory.
Real life English?
Yes, the moments that really matter.
Those are the hardest.
Real conversations feel scary because they are unpredictable.
No script.
Exactly. No preparation.
Ugh, that's when my English disappears.
Let's start with phone calls.
Oh no. Emma hates phone calls.
Most learners do.
I can't see the person. I can't read their face.
That adds pressure.
When the phone rings, my heart beats faster.
What do you think in that moment?
I won't understand. I'll sound stupid.
Those thoughts block your English. Here's the rule, Emma.
Okay.
On phone calls, use short control phrases.
Control phrases?
Yes, phrases that slow the conversation. For example, hi, just a moment.
Oh, that buys time.
Exactly. Or, sorry, could you repeat that?
That feels safe. You know, Robert, that already feels calmer.
Because you are in control.
Not rushing.
Yes. Now let's go to work situations.
Meetings?
Meetings, small talk, quick questions.
Oh, so many moments. At work, I want to sound professional.
What happens then?
I use long sentences.
And?
I get stuck.
Here's the truth, Emma. Simple English sounds professional.
Really?
Yes, clear English equals confidence.
That changes everything.
Your boss asks, can you finish this today?
I would say, I will try my best to complete it.
Now simpler.
I think yes. I'll update you.
Perfect. Clear, natural.
That sounds like a real person.
Exactly. Let's talk about small talk.
Ugh, awkward silence.
Small talk doesn't need smart English.
Really?
It needs presence. Here's the simple formula.
Okay.
Observation, feeling, question. It's busy today. I feel tired. How about you?
Oh, that's easy.
Very easy.
You know, I don't feel pressure now.
Because you stopped trying to impress.
I'm just connecting.
Exactly, Emma. With friends, you don't need perfect English.
Just honest English.
Yes,
I'm tired today. I don't want to cook.
that's natural.
No grammar stress.
No stress at all. Real-life English is not performance.
It's communication.
Yes. In the final part, we'll build a daily routine.
A habit?
A small habit that changes everything. Emma, real English lives in real moments.
And simple English is enough.
All right, Emma, this is the most important part.
More important than grammar?
Much more important.
Oh, now I'm listening.
People don't fail because they are bad at English.
Then why, Robert?
They fail because they don't repeat simply.
I jump from video to video.
Exactly. No routine. You don't need hours.
Really?
You need minutes.
Oh, that sounds possible.
Here is the routine, Emma.
Okay, tell me slowly.
Minute 1. Listen.
Just listen?
Yes. No subtitles. Listen to simple English.
Podcast?
Podcast. Short video. Dialogue.
No pressure?
No pressure. Minute 2. Repeat softly.
Even if I sound bad?
Especially then.
That feels uncomfortable.
Growth feels uncomfortable. Minute 3. Say one simple sentence.
Like what?
Today was busy.
Oh, that's easy.
Minute 4. Pause.
Pause again?
Yes, silence is training.
I never practiced silence.
Minute 5. Add emotion.
Emotion?
Yes, today was busy.
Oh, that sounds alive. You know, Robert, this feels light.
Because it is light.
No stress.
No burnout. Your brain learns best when you feel safe.
Safe English.
Yes, not perfect English.
I used to think I need big vocabulary,
Most learners think that
but I freeze.
because big words add pressure.
Emma speaking, I was scared of sounding stupid.
Thank you for saying that.
I judged myself first.
That's the real problem. From today, speak to connect.
Not to impress.
Exactly. Celebrate small wins.
Like what?
One sentence, one pause, one calm moment.
Oh, I like that. I feel calmer already.
That calm is confidence. Remember this, Emma.
I'm ready.
Natural English is slow English.
Slow is strong.
You don't need permission to speak English.
I can start now.
Yes, messy, simple, real.
Emma is ready.
And you listening are ready too. Just speak
Just breathe.
and keep going.